If your phone battery has been draining fast, even when you're not using it, you need to fix this immediately, because the truth is, it's not your battery, it's your settings. And in this video, I will show you 3 simple things you can do right now to stop your battery from draining fast. Let's get started. First, go to your settings, scroll down and tap battery. For me, here is where I can see battery. I'll click on power marathon. I don't know the device you're using, but you can also look for your battery in the settings. I'm going to click on battery settings here. If I click on battery settings now, for you are just going to click on battery depending on the mobile device you're using. Now tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you're going to see a list of apps that are using your battery. For me, I'm going to click on battery usage. That's where I can see the list of apps. So these are the list of apps that are using battery on my phone, and this is where the problem actually is. You're going to see the number of percentage these apps are using. Some apps keep running in the background even when you are not using them. Now look at this app and then tap on anyone that is using too much battery. Like here, the one that is using too much battery here is Google. So if I tap on it right now, you would see options like background restriction, battery optimization. So you are going to click on background restriction. Now if you click on background restriction here, this will stop the app from running in the background and draining your battery. Go ahead and do this. Now you can just click on restrict. If you restrict it now, it's going to stop running in the background and draining your battery. Now go ahead and do this for 2 to 3 other apps or up to 5 that are using too much battery. Okay, you're going to see Facebook is using 3%. InShot is using too much battery. I can also click on background restriction and then just restrict it so that it stops using too much battery. Now let's move to the second settings, and this one will make a big difference. Go back to your main settings and then click on display. Now you're going to see display either at the top, display and brightness. Click on it. If your display is too high, your battery is going to drain very fast. Turn off auto display. Now if I click on here, you're going to see brightness level. I'm going to just click on it. Now you're going to see that my auto display is on. All I need to do is turn it off because this drains your battery also. So I'm going to turn it off. Now leave it at 42% because this drains battery as well. Also look for something called screen timeout. Now if you scroll, you're going to see screen timeout here. Just tap on it. Now you're going to see 15 seconds and the rest. For me, I love to leave it between 15 to 30 seconds so that when my phone is not active, it will immediately go off. Now just tap on it, and this alone can actually save a lot of battery for you. Now let's go to the third setting, and most people ignore this. Go back to your main settings page, look for location on your phone. Now you're going to see location. Click on location. If your location is always on, like mine is on, make sure you turn it off except you really need it, because this drains the battery. So I'm going to turn it off right away. Now you can turn it off completely, or you can also decide to turn it on when using app. But for me, I'm just going to turn it off completely. Now let's do this again. This one is a very quick one that you need to check because it also drains battery. Go back to your settings. Now look for connections or network. So I'm going to look for more connections here. I click on more connections. I want to off my Bluetooth because Bluetooth also drains battery a lot. I'll just click on it and then I'll off this Bluetooth because this also drains a lot of battery. This helps refresh my system and then stops unnecessary background activity. The next thing I want to do is to turn off anything that you're not using on your phone. Finally, restart your phone. Just restart your phone, and once you restart your phone, this helps refresh your system and stops unnecessary background activity. Once your phone is back on, you should notice your battery lasting longer. If this helps you, subscribe for more simple phone tips. And if your battery is still draining fast, comment your phone model below. Maybe I will help you fix it.